We have just stopped by to tell you that since you have been demoted from grade 10 RCL, well, I have been promoted in your place. And oh, before I forget, I'm auditioning for the lead role in drama, and I'm going to give my best performance so that everyone will forget about you.
No, I can't believe it. I was once friends with you. But you got what you wanted, so...
Shame. It's like a work whistle. Kungayithanga advice yethu walala nothando. Go, you are a young mother who is nothing but a popular has-been.
Yes, nyani bafethu man. Yes, I wish uthame bene personality kuyi. Usoloke khathi budget plus. Uthi akafuni bantu baninzi. Kanti ke nixelele plus. Ngeyiphi time engenofuna abantu baninzi. Emgithingani yawo uqala.
Mfethu. Habo lungs. Usukele kuseni okubuthule efondini kusheke nje 4 days. Oyike lo hlobo na.
Hey, it's not there, Paula Fethu. As Umama changed her mind because of her female instincts. Said I should not go to the mountain. So next time, when say let's go for the fun. There was umthetho nje umfundini. Lesingamadoda azohlala kwazi ukuhlala kunye nathi. Yena abafazi. That's why ithembe sithi akufunekanga abangene endaweni bona. Yeah, mara muni wari mina. Ngeke blood. Kanele practice. What you do in school this oh, and if you look at drama, why?
I'm too busy for drama. Someone's mother now. I mean, isn't that obvious?
Please come back to what you need, so we can give another standing performance. A little man is a little lady. The upcoming Chilet play.
If I were to perform, I'd have to audition.
You're the highly talented engineer. You always get the part.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, like, what's going on with your life and stuff?
Oh, let's go ahead, David. I'm just running through the possibilities of what every support does. When it's prevented from going to the mountain. Joe, to get close, delete. One of them.
Sure.
Sesibali, nansi le plan. Uyabo. Njengoba into kufuneka uyenzile, ukwenza u-uncle wakho abe aware kule situation yakho kuyo, yabo. U-uncle wakho phela uzamxelela ba uspend holiday kwakhe. Then after a week emveni koba ibhoki ixheliwe. U-uncle wakho ubhele uzawuxelela umama wakhe inyani, then umama kaqala amalungiselelo Sibali. David. Ayitsali mfethu. How this plan is fail proof. Sesibali sure mfethu, ekuse. Embona namjita la. Ebeka i-situation worse nakune yakho mfethu. But ngoku akho mntu notsho Sibali. He's so hot, Sibali can't even catch a cold, Sibali. Ngithi next time izawube isithaba yapha.
Bafondini. So what about the certificate of Department of Health that is needed? Funeka soxilonga before sindabeni. What if something goes wrong, pa?
We're not going to some hospital lapho soxola ngumuntu ongumfazi basiko fit enough for sibulungu ngamadoda. Yazi wena xola mfethu, first guy like you. You're pretty dramatic mfethu. Siba mfethu. Sisonke silate la, we can't phone it out, ne? Sure, check. I think when you come back next time, we'll flag a sense in this positive variable. Zuko, love. I think we need the coach of it. Then I too. That's coach is Ola, who's going to call of it? Still writing is in Kay. We give the cool away. Maybe if they get now, I think about the she know. Look in, man.
I think we should go home, Faith. We didn't want your uncle to cancel everything.
Yeah, Fala, Jay. It's a mouth. I check a little away. Ola,
all we have to do is to stay strong. I hope we make it out alive.
Spagazi, Lungile said I should give you this. He said it's something to inspire you through the auditions for the Juliet role.
But he knows I'm not auditioning. But tell him I said goodbye. Good luck.
Lungile. Sicela uxolo. Asingakwazi uba unengxaki yezinzo endivani basolusiwe. Iye wafumana isigulo. Kodwa ke siyasathumelisa iintwana ezincinci. Sihambe zoxelela umalume wakho funeke udibane nesibhedlele. Wasixelela into yokuba elo ayilosiko lethu. Wena funeka ujongane naso njengendoda. Ewe ibali lam ndiligqibile. Ndilibhale ngawe. Uzuko noLanga iqembu labo lebhola liphumelele. Ngeze sikulibala. Uzise izinto ezilungileyo ebomini bethu. Sithi ulale ngexolo.
Give me my Romeo. So when he shall die, take him and cut him into little stars. And he will make the face of heaven so fine that the world will fall in love with the night, and the world will pay no worship to the garish sun.